Hey guys, hey subscribers! So today's reaction video is very special. Not just because it's suggested by one of my favorite patrons, Efren, but also because I'm going to be reacting to one of the soundtracks of a game called Elden Ring. I'm not much of a gamer, for obvious reasons. I want to say horrible, but horrible is an understatement. So God knows why you guys have been trying to get me into streaming. But yeah, the way Efren described this game, he transported me to a different realm. Like, honestly, he wrote a freaking essay. No joke. The way he described everything, it was just so full of passion. So it was really a no-brainer. I had to check this song out. Plus, the plot is really, really cool. Like, honestly, that mythical realm he was talking about was kind of similar to Lord of the Rings, which I absolutely love. Altogether, it was one heck of a pitch. So without further ado, let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
And 3, 2, 1. Scarlet Sky by Miracle of Sound. He talked about the crimson rot. So many colors.
Do you remember the proud time? Standing so tall, our golden glow used to outshine all. But I'm falling apart.
That's beautiful.
To my soul, light beats through my bro.
That's Leonard!
Heart, my scarlet sky, gravity will break and bend. My scarlet sky, waiting for the end. Just you and I.
So sad.
Stay with me through time, my friend.
Poor Leonard!
We will keep the stars from falling through the scarlet sky.
Okay, I'm gonna rewind. You know, it's so cool to like put a face or like a scenery onto what Efren was describing in his very detail-oriented paragraphs. His voice though, so deep and ruggedy. Love it. My vocal cords kind of hurt just listening to him because you know how squeaky I am, and when I try to like tone it down, something twists in here. So yeah, that's how I felt throughout listening to the very first part of the song. And poor Leonard, I mean, when he described everything about this game, what struck a chord in me the most was that poor horse. And the graphics in this game definitely did not help. I just wanted to give him a hug. He did mention that Raydan, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but he did say that he became like humongous and he was basically way too big for his horse to carry him, and he didn't want to become a burden to his horsey. So
We'll keep the stars.
he did mention that he was like the keeper of stars or something. Sky! Woo! I know her. Melina? Right?
Down by the waves they will find me. Savage defile this poison spreading inside.
That crimson rot!
I'm falling apart. I don't recognize myself. Light beats through my broken heart. My
guitar solo? Maybe? That's so cool. Wait, we're gonna pause just a little bit. If I recall correctly, he controlled gravity. He kept the stars from falling. Guys, I'm becoming senile. I may look 28, but I have the physiology of an 80-year-old granny. And that badass warrior, Melina, who was cursed by the Crimson Rot and does not have any legs, just has one arm, which kind of reminded me of like the Full Metal Alchemist, just a little bit. Oh, I freaking love that anime. Edward Elric is definitely my 2D crush. Him and Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, as I was saying, Melina, I think that's how it's pronounced. A super badass warrior, kind of undefeatable, cursed Raiden with the Crimson Rot. That's why he's rotting from the inside out. That's so gruesome. I'm noticing that I'm pausing at the very wrong parts. I'm really sorry about that, guys. Okay, rewinding, and let's go. She put her arm back in, and then look how badass this scene. Oh. Damn. Yes. Woo! They took off her arm. The only good arm. Damn. Wait, are they gonna fall in love? I didn't know games could be this epic. Storytelling wise.
Gravity will break and bend. My scarlet sky.
I love this.
For the end. Just you and I. Stay with me through time, my friend. And we will keep the stars from falling through the scarlet sky.
Damn! He's ginormous now. Yet she keeps on charging. Girl power.
Across the red we rush.
Was that a sword? In her. What the fuck is happening? What happened? He defeated her? No. I was kind of rooting for the girl. Just saying. Actually, I'm rooting for the horse. What the heck happened to that freaking horse? Can you like not ride on him anymore? Like, for crying out loud? Like, chill, my guy. Get off that damn horse. You should carry that horse. You should carry him as a purse. You're more than capable of doing that, Raiden. Just say. I did not see what happened to the horse, but it pissed me off that he kept on like riding that tiny horse. Like, come on, not cool. But what happened to Melina? What happened? She got a sword in her chest. But why did she become like a nine-tailed fox or something? Like, what is that? What? That's so beautiful though. Her death, look at that. Look at, she like exploded into like a flaming flower. That's so damn cool. I don't really know the level of like storytelling in games and the level of artistry in the graphics of the game, but this is top tier. I'm a noob, I know, but this is top tier to me. The scenery in this is absolutely breathtaking. The angles, the shots. I guess I'm way too used to Super Mario and Duck Hunt. the good old days of the Sega Mega Drive too. But regardless of that, art is art, no matter what shape or form it takes. And to me, this is an absolute masterpiece. So this is it for my reaction video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if you'd like to support me on Patreon, make sure to hit the Patreon link. See you next time. Bye!